Okay, here's the ad for the battery that I bought. It's supposed to come with the rear light. It's supposed to come with a power adapter. And let's see. And I got my plugged in battery meter. Let's see. This is what it's supposed to be, 30 amp. There's no power meter. There's no light. No light, no power meter like it's supposed to be on the ad. And the total battery power is 52 volts, but it doesn't show you how much capacity it is. I went on a bike trip, and this is all I could get out of the battery was 19 amps. It's not 30 like they advertise.